Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this really cute, lacy, asymmetrical clutch. This matches perfectly with some prom lace applique shoes that I made earlier in a different video. This is super easy to make and it's perfect for bridal or prom if you're looking for a small, delicate evening bag to go along with your dress. So let me show you what I used to get this look. For this project, I used a zipper, needle and thread. I used lining fabric and then the actual lace, and you could do this a couple of different ways. You could have contrasting fabric depending on how your shoes look, but I kind of wanted mine to match, so I matched it up. And then finally I used cardstock to establish a pattern, and obviously you're going to need some fabric shears or scissors. I switched to brown cardstock just so that it would show up better on my workspace, and I just wanted to show you something really quickly. If you're having problems drawing your pattern or getting an idea of it, you can simply use an envelope to establish how big you want your bag to be and use this as a tracing and then just go from there. To draw this pattern, all I'm going to do is trace the top of the zipper all the way along, and then that's going to be the top of my bag. So now I have two patterns, a front pattern and a back pattern. My next step is to cut the fabric. I'm going to end up with 4 pieces of fabric in total, 2 front pieces and 2 back pieces. So this is the lining. I'm going to iron this and cut it out, and then I'm going to cut out the lace and show you what that looks like. This is what the pieces look like now that the pattern has been cut, and I wanted to show you what I meant by using a contrasting lining. So this is just an idea of what the lace would look like if it were on something darker, and this is what the lace is going to look like with a matching backing. So you have a lot of different choices depending on how you contrast the fabric. I am now going to attach the pieces to the zipper. So I'm going to sew the lace on top of the lining to the zipper, and I ironed the edge of the lining a little bit just to make it smoother. So depending on whether your bag is lined or not, you'll have 4 or 2 layers. You'll have your lining, which is this for me, and then the lace that's on the outside, and then I'll have the same thing on the other side. And this is what the bag looks like when it's not done yet. So I'm gonna unzip this and then fold it inside out and then sew. This is what the square looks like inside out. So now I'm going to sew along the edges, turn the bag inside out, and it should be all set. And this is just another view of what the bag looks like before I sew it. It just basically looks like a couple of squares of material. This is what the bag looks like now that it's been sewn. And this is what it looks like when it's folded over. This is the completed bag. I really like how it turned out. This is what it looks like when it's folded over. Since it's an asymmetrical clutch, you would just carry it like this. I really liked it. I'm glad that I lined it. The only thing that I would say is if you do have a sewing machine, definitely use that because it was kind of hard to sew in a straight line. But if you're looking for a bag that you can make really easily to match your shoes, this is it. This literally would take you less than an hour to make. You have the zipper, you can do it, and especially if you just want something that can match your prom or bridal look, this is a super inexpensive and easy way to go. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.